Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a back brace lumbar support device, this video just might be for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, ours is a little different. Can you give us your overview, do a little feedback for us? But who am I to say no? No way whatsoever this is being provided to me affect this review. I'm just here to keep it real. In the box, you have this that wraps around, and it really serves two purposes. So you have sort of light support, and then you have more structured support. So this is like a heavier duty type hard plastic. It has a couple different pieces and some extra kind of form-fitting, structured cushion support. You can wear this with just this and provide support, or you can add this for additional support. It does come with all the instructions needed to kind of help understand like what does what and what type of support this type of thing provides. It's all Velcro based, so very easy to put on and off. All you have to do, wrap it around, get a nice snug fit, but then you have these additional pull strings. So when you pull these strings, it's sort of like a corset to where it's just sucking everything in, and you do it until it feels comfortable. And then you pull this all the way over, pull this all the way over, and these are both Velcro, and now it's locked in. This is, depending on how tight you want it, keeping you pretty sturdy, very comfortable. The construction on this is all nice and soft. This is for Velcro grip. The structure of this looks like it's very well made. The materials look to be high end. Definitely has a very good, comfortable, soft feeling to it. This is hard plastic here in the rear for additional, again, this is more of on the lightweight support as far as this device is concerned, but very solid, pulls you in nice and tight. Now let's step it up a notch and put the heavier gauge support in this and try that on. So to add the additional structured support, there are pockets here that this clips into. This goes there. This goes there. Pretty simple. On the other side, the exact same thing. So now we have these four things locked in. This is an optional massage board, and so this would go here. And then depending on how high you want it up on the device, you have three different height options. We're just gonna put it in this one for now. Then on this side, you have these additional padded supports. These have Velcro right here. This would go on the same way, but just for the extra support. The support goes against the lower back. Wrap it around, find the spot that fits nice and where you want it. Pull the left side snug, pull the right side snug. It's gonna get your first level of grip. Then like before, I'm calling it the corset strings. You're gonna take these, pull them to where there's as snug as you like, come over, grab the Velcro, come over, grab the Velcro, and you are locked into some stiffness. Depending on how much you suck in your air or suck in your something before you lock it in, it fits, I would assume, similar to what a corset feels like, where you are definitely locked in. This is not flexible at all, especially going this way, and you are definitely in there nice and snug for sure. Even with this extra support, at first I was thinking it wasn't gonna still be comfortable, but the way it's contoured, it fits just like it fit before, except it's just a little bit more, it's a lot more rigid, but from a comfort standpoint, it's still there. I don't feel like any hard places or anything like that. No, I'm not getting jabbed by any of the stiffer parts, which was sort of a concern I have, but definitely feels good. Feels supportive, and basically is doing what it's supposed to be doing. Hopefully this answers any and all questions you have about this lumbar support and a couple different options that this has. I'm actually thoroughly impressed. Hope this helps. We'll talk to you soon.